You got that glow, 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 that glow, she on the flow, flow.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this super easy and soft cut crease. The first thing I always do is prime my eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm gonna use this with a P84 brush by Sigma Beauty. I have a special discount code in the description bar for all Sigma Beauty brushes. I'm just gonna dab it all over the eyelid, and this is gonna leave me with a clean base for my eyeshadow. It's gonna make sure that my eyeshadow is gonna stay in place better, which we obviously want. And I want to mention something quickly. At my previous video, I received a message from someone saying, please show me more of your face. Now, in one of my previous videos, I mentioned that I wanted to do more full face videos. And the reason why I haven't done that since, I think in the last 3 videos I'm not showing my face, is because I ordered new lighting, because there's something going on with the lighting. Every time I film a full face video, there's just something off. And that's kind of stopping me from doing those videos because I want my quality to be as perfect as possible. So now I'm kind of in the mood like I don't want to film it until it's perfect, if that makes sense. So my lighting is coming in tomorrow, so hopefully I can fix everything this weekend and then I can start over again and give you guys hopefully the best quality as possible. I just feel like every time I film a video, like it's different. My skin looks either orange or it's looking green or too cool tone. I'm having just a lot of trouble with the white balance, so hopefully this weekend I can really focus on that and get everything to look perfect, so I just can sit in front of my camera and use the same settings and that it's just gonna be the same every time without it looking like really weird. So for those who wondered about that, I really hope that makes sense. Also, let me know how you find the lighting in this video right now. I feel like it's pretty accurate to like how my skin color normally uses. I'm now blending, by the way, I'm talking too much. I'm blending this light color from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette all over in the crease to really warm up the crease. And then now I'm taking this shade, which is a little bit darker, and I'm gonna blend that in the outer V and then more towards the crease area to make it even darker. I just want to give you guys like the best quality as possible because I feel like I'm just really like happy, and I just really appreciate you guys to watch my videos, and in return, of course, I want to give you guys the best quality. I want to give you guys the best tips and tricks in my videos, but sometimes when I look back at my videos, I feel like something is off and it makes me less proud of my videos. And I just want to upload something and stand 100% behind the video. I just want to be proud of my videos, basically. I put like a lot of time in them. It takes me a lot of time to edit those. So I want it to be perfect, and nothing sucks more than when I have filmed all day and I upload the footage to my computer and then I see that the lighting is off. Like, it's so frustrating, and I feel like being a YouTuber, you have to know so many things. You have to know how to edit videos, how to edit pictures, how to like a lot of technical stuff. Basically, it's a lot. You have to know like everything about cameras, how lighting works. I don't want to sound like really dramatic, like I have the hardest job ever, but you have to know like a lot of different kind of stuff when it comes to computer and that kind of stuff. So sometimes it can be really difficult, and I'm just really struggling with it right now. Thankfully, my boyfriend is helping me. But right now, let me just tell you guys what I'm doing. I'm taking this liquid eyeshadow from Laura Mercier, which is really pretty. It's like a really soft rose golden shade. And I will make sure to put all the names of the products I'm using in the description bar. I'm going to use this on top of the eyelid to create a cut crease. So I'm basically applying it on the eyelid and then also really precisely blending it underneath my crease to create that cut crease effect. And I think this is the most easy way to create a cut crease. You can either like blend one color in your crease and then do this step. I went for 2 colors to really make the crease a little bit darker, but you can also blend one color and then do what I'm doing right now with the liquid eyeshadow, and then you created a cut crease. Such a simple look. It's really nice for if you want like something for your wedding or for a party. You want to do something different, but you don't want to have like spend too much time. This is gonna be a really nice option for you guys. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, my boyfriend is really helping me with like fixing my settings in my videos, making the audio sound better. Like, he's helping me, thankfully, but it's just really complicated, and I just want to give you guys the best quality as possible, like I said. So any feedback is always welcome. If you watch my videos and you notice something is off, just let me know. Like, any feedback is welcome. I really appreciate that. Let me know what you think of my audio, just everything. Like, it just will really help me so I can do things better. Or if you see something and you're like, oh, I really liked how you did it before more than how it's now, also let me know. Like, any feedback is welcome, basically. So after applying the liquid eyeshadow, I went back in with the second color I used in my crease, and I'm gonna take a flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty and I'm gonna press it right underneath the lower lash line. I'm not gonna do like a really dramatic look. Like, for some people this might look dramatic because we created that cut crease, but actually the shades we used are not super dark, so therefore I think this is more like a soft glam look, just playing with like really soft shades, but at the same time creating something glamorous but make it soft. So I just applied it underneath the lower lash line, and then I went back in with the color we used at the beginning, and that's the shade I'm gonna use to blend out the lower lash line. So I used the same colors as I used in my crease as I'm using right now underneath the lower lash line to kind of keep everything in the same color undertone. Also blending it a little bit more toward the outer end, as you can see me doing right now, to kind of connect, not all the way to like the crease, but a little bit like halfway. I felt like that looked a little bit better. Also a tip, because I used the Laura Mercier liquid eyeshadow, which was the first time using that product, don't apply too much of it, because I used it for the first time, so I didn't know what to expect. Like, could I apply 2 layers or 1? I didn't know, but I noticed with one eye I applied 2 layers and it wasn't looking the best. So I would prefer 1 layer, and then it's gonna look a little bit more smooth and you won't get those cracks on the eyelid. So now I'm taking this nude pencil from Suifa. This is a really nice pencil. I've been using it for years. And this is just like a really nice neutral shade for in the waterline. You can also go for a white pencil, which I used to use like back in the days when I wanted to have like a really bright inner corner, but I think this looks a lot more natural, so I prefer this one. And then after doing this, I'm gonna curl my lashes using this lash curler from Tweezerman, and then I went in with the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, which is one of my favorite mascaras. I say this in almost every video. It's just really nice. And I got my lashes lifted a few weeks ago, which made my own natural lashes look a lot longer. So I'm really happy about that. But I think it's probably maybe 3 weeks ago now, so maybe I have to do it again. I don't know. I think my upper lashes are still longer than they used to be, so they're still a little bit lifted, but not as lifted as they were at the beginning, like straight after doing it. But I would definitely recommend it because it just makes my eyes look more open, and I really like the effect that it gives. You don't have to apply fake lashes anymore. But of course, since this is a makeup tutorial, I am going in with fake lashes, just because I feel like it's gonna make this look even better. So I'm taking lashes from my own lash company, Anytude. I have a special discount code for you guys, which you can use. And I'm wearing this style impishly, and I'm using them because they're really pretty, really natural. I have a lot of lash styles which are a little bit more, I don't want to say like super dramatic, but definitely more dramatic than this one. And I felt like since this look is more like a softer glam look, I didn't want it to go with like super dramatic lashes because that would like change the whole makeup look, and the purpose of today's look was to keep it soft. So that's why I went in with this style impishly. And I'm so sorry guys, I feel like I'm talking so much in this video. I really hope you guys could follow this video. I tried to keep as much of the blending and all the process in this video and not cut out too much. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you did enjoy, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. Also, like I said earlier, any feedback on my videos is always welcome, and I just really hope you guys like the outcome. Let me know if you're gonna try it, and hopefully I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
You got that glow, 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 that glow. She on the flow, pop it slow. You got that body talk, that body talk. Loving how the way you walk, the way you walk. You like a disco ball in a nightclub. The way you sparkle whenever the lights low. You got that glow.